Still making our way along the trail. Some nice woods here. Trying to see if there's going to be maybe one more lookout, get maybe the islands from up here. For now, that's true. You're going right along the edge of the escarpment here. So, I mean, it's not really best to shoot out of because there's just a little bit of tree cover. Maybe we'll get lucky, come across another lookout. And it looks like we've come across another lookout. Now, talk about no railings. That would suck. That's a long way down. That would totally not be fun. But the view is really good. There's White Cloud, and you can zoom in here. You can see still have the old landing strip on it there. Small planes. And that's back towards Owen Sound. And that's back towards Washington there. But like I said, it's starting to cloud over and stuff. Might get a bit of rain. And I don't want to be out here when it's raining. Another lookout. This one, again, was the one that you could see headed that way. Amazing. What's cool is like down here where you're walking, just a nice cool breeze, right? But you can hear up in the trees. Fix my hat. Jeepers. Try that. Nope, but it is what it is. You can hear up in the trees it blowing. Oh, I can see the car. The car has survived yet again. Fantastic. Well, that was a nice little hike. Until the next one. Peace.